I'm Anthony, recovery coach. You're at yourrehab.coach. This is the first in the series on restoring self-respect. It's called Antidote to Shame. This is a key part of the process of recovering and restoring self-respect. I found in researching and attempting to alleviate the barriers and the blocks and the confusions that an individual might and usually does run into when truly gaining self-respect, and in many cases, if you're interested in this process or program, restoring your personal self-respect to potentially former highs and glories, or even exceeding those and achieving new states of personal stability in self-respect. This is the core purpose of the whole series. And in this particular course, we're going to be focusing on shame. Now, I'm going to give you a couple of notes on this. I'm just going to put this down for a moment. Now, the antidote to shame deals with getting a person who may be stuck in blaming or regretting or being ashamed of past situations or possibly current situations that they can't quite seem to get out of. The antidote to shame actually works with the subject of shame to use it as a form of connection as opposed to a reason for disconnection with others. It's a very powerful program, not very long. You could comfortably finish it in a couple hours if you really wanted to, or less, or you could draw it out. It's done at your own pace. It is not timed, and it is free to you online as a courtesy of your rehab coach. Welcome to the course. There will be videos and a video to follow. This one as you get into Antidote to Shame.